Dear students, welcome to DAV Sri Vishnu Vidyaniketan's online classes. Let us observe the example. A car is moving on the road from left hand side to right hand side. Let us have a true or false games by asking some questions. First question, the distance between the driver and the car changes. Second, the distance between the car and the observer is changed. The answer for the first question is no, and the answer for the second question is yes. Now let us change the position. So now the observer is in the car. Now let us check the questions again. The distance between the observer and driver is changed. Second, the position of the observer is not changed with respect to the driver. Yes, the answers for the first question is no and second question is yes, because you and driver are at the same time, hence there is no change in the position. From this we can tell that the observer and the driver of a car are at rest with respect to each other, but both of them are in motion with respect to the surroundings outside the car. Why? Because the position is changing while they are in the car, and the position with respect to each other is not changed. Hence, they are at the rest with respect to each other, and they are in the motion with respect to the surroundings. Finally, a body may be at rest with respect to one set of surroundings and at the same time be in motion with respect to another set of surroundings. Now the observer is at rest with respect to the driver, and the observer is in the motion with respect to the surroundings in the previous example we have seen. Hence, motion is relative to the observer, means it all depends on the observer position. We can convey the motion based on the relativeness by comparing with the observer position. A girl is swinging on a swing seat. So now here the girl on the swing is at rest with respect to the seat of the swing, and the girl is on the swing is in motion with respect to the garden. So means she is in motion with respect to the surroundings. And a man in a boat is in a lake, in a river. So he is moving. The man in the boat is moving with respect to the bank of the river, and the man in the boat is at rest with respect to the boat. So it is all relativeness by comparing with the position of the observer. A girl is cycling on a road and she is moving. Now the girl on the bicycle is in motion with respect to the road. Same, the girl on the bicycle is in rest with respect to the bicycle, because bicycle and her position is not changed. They are going together, hence they are at rest with respect to each other. But road is stationary, hence they are in motion. Let us observe the example. Here two cars are moving. One is moving with constant speed and another is moving with very speed. One means fast at a time and slow for some time, like that. If you observe the table for the blue car, so it covers equal distances and equal intervals of time. For all the 10 seconds gap, it covers 150 meters. If you check the table, you can easily get it. And coming to the time and distance traveled by the next car, again time is in seconds, 10 seconds, but it covers different distances in different intervals of time. From this we can said that if a body covers equal distances in equal intervals of time, it is said to be in uniform motion. See, same distances in same time. If a body covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time, it is said to be in non-uniform motion. Now, let us check some of the examples and identify the following motions, whether they are in uniform or non-uniform. Now, movement of a hands of a clock. Let you check, it covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. Hence, it is an example for uniform motion. Check any clock. It always covers equal distances in equal intervals of time. Hence, it is an example for uniform motion. Going with the second, flying. So the movement of fly. It covers unequal distances in equal intervals of time. Hence, it is an example for non-uniform motion. Now, rotation of earth. Here also, rotation takes equal intervals of time, equal intervals of distances, because it covers 24 hours duration in one rotation. Hence, it is an example for uniform motion. Students, I hope you understood. Thank you.